Hey you guys, what's good? Welcome back to the mother freaking channel. So I wanted to do just a real quick PR package unboxing from a dear friend on Instagram, Nails by Mermaiden. I really love Mermaiden. She has been watching my channel, supporting my channel, and we've been following each other on Instagram for quite some time now. She's a fellow Makartt ambassador, and I have just been really loving watching her growth and seeing her nails get more and more detailed and intricate, and watching her style kind of develop over time. And she has an amazing spirit. I really just love her, and I wanted to show you guys her stuff, and she offered to send me some nails. So I'm gonna put those nails on today for this video, and then she gave me all of these super cute like goodies with these nails also. So I was just so taken aback. You guys probably saw me clapping. Me and my friend were just so like flabbergasted and shocked by all this cute purple stuff, and I thought it was so sweet of her that she like remembered that one time I was going crazy over purple in one of my videos. So she gave me like a all purple everything little gift bag here. I think she made these earrings, and they are like customized. The ones that were like little potion pots had an F and B on them, so that was so cute to me. Thank you so much. I love all the Hello Kitty and Sailor Moon stuff. It's like very tailored for me. I felt so special, you guys. Everything is so cute. She made this dangle charm for me too. Like, girl, what? You are so sweet. I can't deal with it. And also she made this acrylic, which is so beautiful. Look at it, you guys. It's like so shimmery. Definitely check her out. Go to her website and support my good sis, Mermaiden. The nails are also so nice, you guys. I've been wearing these press-on nails since I filmed this video, so I think it has been a good 4 or 5 days, and they stayed on. They didn't break at all. They haven't budged at all. All of the charms are still intact, still in place. I was wearing them out, and everyone was like complimenting my nails because they're so bright and like eye-catching. So yeah, I just want to say thank you again. I love you so much, Mermaiden. You're amazing, and you guys need to check her out and check out her nails because she has a bunch of these for sale on her website. So yeah, y'all, let's get into this video. This one is sponsored by Makartt. I'm going to be using their new gel polishes from the sister brand Awesome Gel. These are their Up All Night or All Nighter set. I didn't swatch all the colors, but I will probably like have on screen a picture of them so you can see what they look like. But I was just drawn to this blue, and the kind of look that I'm going for is kind of like Kawaii tea party, or like elegant Kawaii, kind of like Alice in Wonderland vibes, you know what I'm saying? So that's kind of the look. And I've been dying to do something very pearl based with a lot of pearls in it, and kind of just that elegant look. So that's what we're going for. I'm doing all my prep steps. By the way, this is like my new tried and true prep routine, going in with the 3 layers of first the Mia Secret dehydrator, then the Mia Secret primer, and then the Young Nails primer. That's kind of like what's working for me and for my clients right now. So I have just been doing that religiously, and it's been going really good. So if you guys are kind of having issues with your nails lasting, try that trifecta. It's going well for me. Even some girls that like, I don't know what's going on, but like even some girls that used to do well with just like the protein bond, because I used to just use that with a basic dehydrator, that kind of stopped working so well. And I noticed the combo of the Mia Secret and the Young Nails is like doing it for us now. So that's good to know. But yeah, anyways, you guys, so I'm doing a APRES dupe method. I have not done this method in a million zillion years, and I'm really happy to have tried it again. It was really fast to do this set because with that method you don't have to worry about building up or anything. You just paint the color on and decorate and go. I'm getting her nails ready by applying a layer of base coat gel. After that cured, I'm going in with another layer of base coat gel, like a really generous layer of this, because this nail that I'm using that I'm about to cure on, these are the E-Nail 5XL nails, and they have a very high apex. So I want to have a lot of base gel kind of sitting up on top, creating some height and some volume so it can fill in that very high apex, and I'm not pressing the nail down too far onto her skin because that's uncomfortable. You guys will know what I mean if you've tried it before and your nail is like completely flat but you don't have like, you know, any gel there. The e-nail DIY gel is a good look too, but I'm just trying to do that like basic APRES dupe method like we used to do back then, way back when. I just wanted to see like what it would be like, and it was not bad at all. So I'm applying this blue color called Blue Teeny from the Up All Night or All Nighter All Nighter set from Awesome Color. This is such a cute set and I love the theme. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. So it comes with these blues, purples, this white, and a shimmery blue. It's so pretty. And the Awesome Color gels are really good to me. I love using these for just painting and going. I don't have to worry about the formula. Sometimes gel polishes wrinkle a whole lot when you flash cure them, so it kind of makes it so you can't really do the whole flash cure thing, so you have to kind of be real careful, have your client in and out of the lamp, and I don't like that. I like being able to hold their hand the entire time, flash cure, confidently move on to the next finger, not having to worry about the nails. So these flash cure really well. That one thin layer, it flash cured with like 10 seconds of putting that little lamp over it, and that is an Awesome Color lamp that I'm using, and it is very strong, so I am just so pleased. I think I did 3 layers on some nails and then 2 layers on some nails, so it's not like a one and done. But then again, these nails are the 5XL, they're very long, so if you're wearing like a shorter nail, you might just need 1 coat or 2 coats, because I'm pretty used to just doing 1 or 2 with Awesome Color gels. They're very pigmented, and yeah, my favorite aspect to them is definitely how good they cure and how much they just stay in place. They don't wrinkle, and sometimes they even have a tack-free finish. These did not, but that's fine. I just noticed that on some of their older colors they did have like that tack-free thing where there was no sticky layer, which is amazing, right? I think it was a white that I tried from them. It didn't have any tacky layer. So here we're going in with that second coat. After this, I'm going to apply some stickers and a matte top coat, and that's pretty much it. The nail is now strong enough to wear. You can just go about your day. These 5XL nails are pretty strong and durable, so you don't have to do too much with these. You don't have to go on top and build up a whole bunch of like thickness to feel safe or anything. Your layers of paint and then your top coat, it's typically enough to wear these out. But then after that, I will decorate these. The decorating of these nails took so long, you guys. Like, it was a really long process. I don't know what happened with my footage, but I only got decorating 2 of the nails, but it's not that big of a deal because I essentially am doing the same thing, but on all 4 nails. I'm just kind of switching up the charms. When we get to that part, I will kind of talk you guys through where all the charms are from, just in case you like some and you don't see them linked or something. But most of these charms that I'm going to be putting on here are from Makartt. You guys know they came out with that huge set of decor kits, and I've been into those so much lately. It is like really helpful, and it helps me to like bring my ideas together, especially this idea that I had. I was like very confident to finally do it because I saw all those pearls and the bows and that whole like Parisian vibe. It's very elegant, so it kind of went, and I felt like I finally had like enough tiny cute little decor charms to do this look. So it worked out. But yeah, the bows, the pearls that I'm using are from Makartt. There are some like what is on here? There's like some little stars, like Fimo stars. These are also from Makartt. I forget. There's other things, but I'll tell you guys more when we get to that part of the video. What isn't from Makartt though on this set are like the really big gummy bears, the really big gummy stars, the 3D whip, like there's a whipped cream. Those are not from Makartt, and there's also some like flat back stones that are pink. Those are from Long Hair Pretty Nails. These stickers I'm putting on are from Eno Couture, these really pretty lace ones. And then next I'm putting on like some some flowers and butterfly stickers. Those I got from AliExpress. But yeah, I'm gonna do my very best to link everything for you guys on the blog. And if you guys have not checked out my blog yet, highly recommend you check out my blog because I have tried my best to have everything linked there, so there's no wondering, no questioning. Even like the background items that I don't talk about, but you still see them, I try to link those too. But yeah, y'all, so these stickers are from E-Nail. They have different types of these, like lacy ones too. If you don't exactly like this type, they have other types. And I feel like it just really made the nails stand out so much. But I had to get real kawaii with it, so I went in with this like rose and butterfly thing. And after this point, we start doing the 3D stuff, and I'm going to be using the Makartt Rhinestone gel. Love it so much. And this is the Hot Tips Beauty matte. I love this matte because it's a reliable matte. It always comes out velvet, and I don't like having like those issues with matte sometimes where they come out perfectly matte or they sometimes don't. I noticed that sometimes with matte it also depends on how strong your lamp is, so if you're not using like the strongest lamp, maybe it won't cure very well, but I just don't have time for those games. So this one is just a real reliable one for me. So boom, it's already perfectly matte. I do go in after this on these sticker nails and take down the sides because the stickers kind of bump up on the side and it's not really the best to me. It looks kind of like janky and a little bit thick on the side, so I just go in with my hand file off screen and just taper it back down. And because I'm putting so many decorations on top, I'm able to like strategically hide the scratches of the file. But yeah, shape is number one for me, so I'm pretty much going to prioritize the shape over anything. So you can always swap those in and swap out the AliExpress stuff here. These really pretty shiny hearts that I'm putting on right now are also from the Makartt Decor kit. And that one was a favorite. Me and my friend here whose nails I'm doing, we both loved them. They're so cute. They look like candy. And yeah, I do know that some of the decor kits kind of sell out too. And I think they will be restocking them. But just in case, I will try to have some like alternatives to where you can find these items on AliExpress. I think I did actually link that heart charm on one of my nail art posts, I think during the summer. So if you are not able to buy that at the Makartt website, I'll try to find it for you to get on Ali. That way you can get this really cute stuff and do some really cute nails. If you guys recreate any of these looks for my channel, make sure you tag me so I can share it on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and bow out and let you guys enjoy the rest of this content. And thank you for hanging out with me today. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you, bye.